Hello, so I'm back at Wormingford today and we're lucky enough here to have a bed that we use purely for fruit and herbs. Even if you only have a small space at home, I'd really recommend planting a few strawberries or a couple of raspberry canes if you like the fruit, and herbs as well. If you have room for a small herb bed, we'll be showing how to do that in a separate video. So here we've got some strawberries that had already been planted and some which had been still growing in pots. Strawberries reproduce best from the mother plant. Now these have already been taken, these are from runners, so basically the mother plant will send out a long shoot, and that will have a little baby on the end of it. If you put a pot with some compost in and rest that baby strawberry on top, it will gradually root. But these ones need to now come out into the garden to continue their growth and get ready to start fruiting in the summer. The first part is to dig a good hole. Now our soil isn't great here in this bed, so I am going to just add a little bit of compost in it as well, just to help the roots get a little bit more established. Another one here with the plant, I'm just going to be squeezing the pot, putting my 2 fingers either side of the plant, tipping it upside down, tapping it out, and there we've got a good root formation. It's going to be plopped into the hole, bring the earth back around it, firm it down, and then just leave it slightly lower than the surrounding soil so that the water will collect around the plant rather than run off when you're actually watering. When you're finished, obviously tidy up your tools, clean them off, give the plants a good water in, and then wait and see your crop arrive.